Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me thank you to all of you for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizky Fauji. I come from Cimahi. I am a semester student in Elementary Teacher Education Institute Teacher Training and Education IKIP Siliwangi, Bandung. Today, I want to presenting about improving the ability to write short story. This topic is very important for you because writing can be a medium for communicating. Through writing, a person can convey meaning, ideas, thoughts, and feelings through a series of written words. Writing short story can improve children's thinking and imagination skills. I divide my presentation into three parts. First, the concept of writing ability. The second, short story concept. And three, how to improve the ability to write short story for elementary school students. My presentation will take about 50 minutes, and let me start this presentation. In this part of my presentation, I would like to talk about the concept of writing ability. Ability in the capacity of an individual to perform various tasks of a job. In this case, the intended ability of the capacity of an individual to express his opinion in writing, namely is writing. Writing is language skill that is used to the ideas or ideas that are in the mind wrote written language, so they can be read and understood by others. It can be concluded that writing ability is the ability to express ideas, opinions, and feelings to other parties through written language. Basically, the purpose of writing is as a communication tool to written form. Let's move on the second discussion about the concept of short story. Short story is one type of fiction in the form of prose by expressing a problem that is written briefly and densely, formed by several components, namely theme, plot, setting, characterization, point of view, message, and style of language. Talk about writing short stories, we have to know first. The short story is a type of fiction text. Fiction text is a type of writing that is only based on the imagination, fiction, or creation of the author. The intrinsic element are elements that build literally work. Some of them are on the next slide. The first is theme. Theme is the main idea of a story. Sample of them is happiness, sadness, strength, gloom, love, friendship, war, crime, revenge, or anything. The second is backstory or setting. The first is time. Time, for the example, is the morning, evening, night, twilight, one day, and many more. And then location. For the example, location is house, school, market, mountains, and many more location. 3 is atmosphere. Atmosphere is, for example, sad, happy, fun, and many more atmosphere. A story must be clear where it takes place, when it takes place, and the atmosphere and circumstances in which the story takes place. The example is tomorrow I am very happy in the atmosphere because I can make a new story with my friends. And then plot. What is the plot? Plot is a arrangement of the event or event that make up a story. The flow is divided to three, namely, the first is format flow, the second is a reverse flow, and the third is mixed flow. Uh, a format flow is a series of events was seconds moves forward continuously. And the second, a reverse flow is a series of events in which the sequence of events move backward or placed back. And third, mixed flow is a mixture of forward flow and reverse flow. The flow includes several stages. The first is introduction, beginning of the story. And second is apprehension problem, the part that tells the problem faced by the storyteller. And three, pick up tension or climax. The problem in the story is very serious. The conflict has peaked. 4. Tension down or anticlimactic. Problems have gradually been resolved and worries has dissipated. And 5. Problem solving or resolution has been resolved of the story. And then character can be explained in three ways, including character dialogue, character explanation, physical depiction of character. And then characteristic divide for three. Namely, the first is protagonist. Protagonist, the main character in the story, to play a good role. And then antagonist. Antagonist is a character who opposes the main of the character. The antagonist is a bad character. And yang tritagonist character, the middleness between the main character and the opposing character. The last is message. The story have to message. The message or advice the author want to convey through the story. This brings to the end of my presentation. How to improve the short story writing ability of elementary school student. In my opinion, and also supported by the result of the research that I have done to complete my final college assignment, it was found that a way to improve the writing skill of 5th grade in elementary school is to use animal picture card with the help of Microsoft PowerPoint by using a mind mapping model. Because the first, by displaying picture, besides being able to stimulate children using picture and will make children to interest in the learning activities carried out. And the second, by using Microsoft PowerPoint, we have supported modern and the participant to 21st century's learning. Third, using a mind mapping model will make easier for children to write down points that can be combined as intrinsic element into a complete essay, which will later be called a short story. Well, this brings me to the end of my presentation. In my opinion, I think that we can use Microsoft PowerPoint assisted picture card by using a mind mapping model to improve the ability to write short stories for a 5th grader in elementary school. I like to make conclusion that writing is a very important activity to do, especially for children and for 5th grade elementary school children, because writing can be express idea and opinion about a problem for children. Therefore, the ability to write must be improved in order to develop the mindset and effectivity, the child brain and thinking. This can be done by making a picture card with the help of technology-based media, such as Microsoft PowerPoint, which is supported by a mind mapping learning model in the learning. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.